We get a lot of questions about what should we cook first on your new Silverbac or Grilla or Kong. And it doesn't get any simpler than burgers. In fact, they are no flip burgers. What we're gonna do is just coat these with some awesome Grilla Beef Rub. You can certainly use the AP rub here. If you don't have either one of those, salt and pepper will work fine with a little bit of garlic. And once you put the coat on there, press it down in the burger a little bit. You don't want it to roll off. Okay, so we got each of the first side. We'll give them a flip, but I do recommend you put them on the grill as cold as possible. Don't let them come up to room temp. You really want them to be cold as they can be because you don't want to overcook them. We're gonna aim for medium on these today. Our Silverbac's running about 250, so we're gonna go to the Silverbac, put our burgers on, and we're gonna leave them alone. You don't have to worry about spacing these out and leaving an inch and a half gap like I normally would. Hamburgers are gonna draw up pretty quick, they're so fatty. So within about the first 5 to 10 minutes, they'll create their own gap. All right, our no flip burgers are on. Okay, so it's been about 45 minutes, and depending on the thickness of your burgers, they may already be done. So you need to be checking them at about the 30 to 45 minute mark. I like them at about 155, and these are getting close. This is the point, if you like melted cheese, this is the time you want to put your cheese on. We're gonna give these burgers right at 10 more minutes, and then we're gonna pull them. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful color. And you want to talk about a perfect place for golden bold on a burger. If you're a mustard fan, this sauce on a hamburger can't be beat. Not overdone, just right where it needs to be. Still tender, still juicy, still delicious. Super simple, no flip burgers, but let's get a bite. Oh, hey, Mark showed up.
My timing impeccable again?
Always. You smell the food a mile away. Look at the juice of that, Mark.
Nice. Try to make a mess here.
Awesome.
You sure we got to feed the rest of the people?
If we hurry, we can run.
Seriously, I don't know if I could eat a whole one of these things. These things are enormous. Man, what I love about it, simple recipe. Not much to it. Fantastic looking burgers, man.
The beef rub nails it. You don't need anything else on there. The golden bold cuts through the fattiness of that burger. You get a nice tang, just a little bit of tomato, super juicy. And then my favorite, gotta go with the pretzel roll. Fantastic. We want to see you cook your first burger, and we want the pictures. All you gotta do is hashtag it #NoFlipBurger. All the details are in the description down below. You've got 3 weeks from the time this video is released. We're gonna pick a winner, and you're gonna get some Grilla Beef Rub for your efforts. I'm Shane Draper. His mouth is full. This is Grilla Grills. We'll see you next time.